Now we will be starting with the new chapter, that is the endocrine system. Well, as you have nervous system, right, it controls and coordinates all other body organs. We have some other system also that helps in this control and coordination, and that system, it is the endocrine system, right. So, let us see what we are going to discuss under this, what is in your syllabus and what is the scope of your syllabus. We will be discussing the endocrine system, the general study of the following glands, that is the adrenal gland, the pancreas, the thyroid and the pituitary glands. We will also discuss the difference in the endocrine and exocrine glands. Then what is the scope of your syllabus? We will see the correct location and shape of the gland in the human body. It should be discussed along with the hormones they secrete, and the effects of hyposecretion and hypersecretion of hormones must be discussed. The term tropic hormones should be explained in the study of the pituitary gland, and a brief idea of feedback mechanism must be given. So, this is what we will be discussing in this chapter, which is under the scope of your syllabus. Let us begin with the endocrine system, and firstly with a brief discussion about the chemical messengers, that is the hormones.